Welcome to our quick guide on how to deposit funds into your Binance account. Let's get started. The first method is using a bank transfer. You can link your bank account to Binance and transfer funds securely. This is a great option for larger deposits and fiat currencies. The second method is transferring cryptocurrency from another wallet. If you already own cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can send them directly to your Binance wallet. It's fast and convenient. Method 3 is using your credit or debit card. Binance allows you to purchase cryptocurrencies directly with your card and have them instantly available for trading. So there you have it, 3 methods to deposit funds into your Binance account: bank transfer, crypto transfer, and credit debit card. Choose the one that suits you best and start your crypto journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency tips and tutorials.